What's up, guys? We got a bit of news today, so I won't take long with this. But Huawei, you can no longer install Google Apps on the Mate 30 Pro. So let's check out this story. I thought it was pretty interesting. So the Mate 30 Pro launched without pre-installed Google services. Soon after the launch, a backdoor was found allowing you to sideload applications, the Google Apps, on the device using the LZ Play app. This app was found on the Google Play Store. However, this method comes with at your own risk, according to the developer John Wu, because it relies on Huawei's undocumented MDM API. So the workaround is no longer an option. The LZ Play app has been actually pulled off the LZ Play website, and users who already installed the applications, they say, are at risk or whatever. Besides that, they say the apps don't even work anymore. So they don't pass the safety net tests and all this stuff to prevent them from being fully utilized on their devices. So we all know what happened with Huawei and the U.S. ban and all that stuff with Trump. So this is pretty interesting. So in my mind, I'm thinking Huawei's still selling devices, but how long can they keep this up? Can you really have a successful Android handset without the Google Play applications? So this is pretty interesting. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Windows Phone, and how Windows Phone and Microsoft had their own apps. They didn't have really any apps, and they didn't have as many as iOS or Android, and Windows Phone basically died. So the real question is this it for Huawei? If they don't patch things up with the US, will this company die from a lack of software support and lack of security support? Will US customers stop buying Huawei phones altogether, since the brand has pretty much been killed in the US in a way? So what do you guys think? Let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next one.